Hey, and welcome back. I cannot believe that it is almost November, happy Halloween, and that the holidays are upon us. It's almost winter, and that means that we're going to be traveling, maybe, hopefully, possibly. Maybe we're going to be going to some different climates, maybe we have to plan for different events, and trying to put together a capsule wardrobe for your holiday season can be really challenging. So today what we're going to be doing is digitally planning our Parisian-inspired travel capsule wardrobe for this fall and winter 2021 using a brand new app and brand new to me called Open Wardrobe. Open Wardrobe is actually the sponsor of today's video, and I'm super excited to share them with you because they're literally like one of the coolest tools I've ever seen for planning your wardrobe, and I am so pumped to finally get into digitizing my entire wardrobe. It's a free app that you can download in the Apple Store and in Google Play, so it works on either device and it's super easy to use. It's artificial intelligence powered or AI powered technology that helps you digitize your wardrobe and plan outfits, and it's going to also be a little bit of a social platform in the future. What's really cool about it is that if you know our bestie from the channel, Jessica Harumi, she's got some content that is preloaded in the homepage of the app, as well as some other super lovely YouTubers that help you figure out your coloring, that help you figure out your personal style, your kibbe style, how to dress for your petite size, and even more. So it's definitely worth downloading because it's 100% free to you to use, but it provides so much value. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread in my opinion, and I've been dying to try a wardrobe planning app for a long time. So if you've been wondering which closet organization app is the best or which wardrobe planning app is the best, then I think you're gonna love this video. Plus, if you've wondered how to use a closet organization app to plan your wardrobe, then this is also gonna be super fun. And as always, the chapters are linked in the description box below, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, I've got my pieces set up here, and I just want to show you a little bit of what's in the app right now. Okay, so you can see that I've got basically 5 pieces in here. One of them is a pair of boots, and so what I'm gonna do is try to figure out how everything will fit together as I get ready for my imaginary holiday trip that's coming up. So let's go ahead and go to wardrobe, and then we're gonna hit that green plus button, and it's gonna ask you if you want to choose from an album, so you can already pre-take a bunch of pictures, or you can take a photo right on the spot, plus you can import online purchases. So we're going to take a photo right now. Okay, got that there, use photo, and it's doing its magic. Oh my gosh, that worked so well. I don't know if you can see this. Look at that, it did it so easily, so quickly, and I don't know if you can see, but it actually has pre-categorized it as a top. It just preloads the primary color as gray, so it's default, but you can go in and change it. It knows it's a shirt, it's v-neck, it's a solid pattern, and it's long sleeve, so all of that's already preloaded. So then what you can go in and do is add in the brand, the size, price, a secondary color if you want to, and then any other details that you'd like to add in. So we're going to change the brand as thrift store because this is an older brand. I have no idea how old this really is. Then we're going to add in the size as a medium large. Purchase price I think was like, let's just say $10. Primary color is white. And then style occasion, I would consider this, you've got all day wear, bohemian, brunch, casual, chic, classic, formal, holiday, party, retro, man. I don't know. I'm going to say retro and holiday, maybe party as well, and all day wear. Honestly, like I could do it for all of these, but I think if you select the maximum number of occasions, it will help you plan outfits in the future. So if you really feel like it can go in any of these categories, then put it in those categories for sure. Okay, so we're gonna hit save. Perfect. And now you can see that we've got even more pieces in our wardrobe. Okay, so I want to create an outfit with the piece that I just put in, because I think it's an outfit I've never styled before. So I go to outfits and I press that green button sign, I tap the add, and I found that like the order that you add in the pieces kind of helps to make it look like a little outfit that's laid out. So then I add the blouse, then I add my A Goldie jeans, then I'll add my denim jacket. In below, I will add my black boots, and then if you scroll down, you can select the occasion, and so you've got lots of different occasions to choose from, but I'm thinking all day, brunch, casual, date night for me, maybe party and vacation. So then I'll go back, and you can even hit like a little notes section. You can add some notes for you to keep track of anything that you might want to keep track of. Then you hit save, and then you can even schedule when you want to wear it, which is super helpful. Let's say if you have like specific occasions that you need to attend on your vacation or your holiday party or whatever, or if you're in the professional world and you've got a speaking engagement, an interview, a big proposal that you're working on, and you have to wear like this specific outfit on this specific date, you can actually set a date that you're going to wear it. I don't need to do that right now, so I'm going to hit cancel, but that is a brand new outfit to me, and I think it's really cute. If I had some more accessories, I could add those in there too. So let's go ahead and add in some more pieces that I think are going to be great for the Parisian inspired travel capsule wardrobe, and we'll come back and see what I came up with. Okay guys, so now that I've got everything put into the app, I could put so much more in there. I'm gonna start building some outfits and we're gonna see what we come up with. So let me open the app. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is, we're already in outfits, so we just go to outfits section, you tap on the green plus sign, and then you start creating. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with the sweater tank top. Then I'm going to add my pinstriped Ralph Lauren blazer. For the bottoms, I'm thinking we'll do the A Goldie jeans and the black boots. Okay, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed that. I hope you found it helpful. This Open Wardrobe app is going to be a game changer for me in my wardrobe. I absolutely know it. It's going to help me decide what to get rid of in the future and how to get the most wear out of the pieces that I have. I hope you are going to download it too. You can use the link in the description box below. Again, it's 100% free, and you can get it for Apple, you can get it for Google. Visit their website, go follow them on Instagram. All of their links are in the description box. And if there are any pieces that I showed in the video that I can provide links to, those will also be in the description box as well. If you liked this video, like it and share it with a friend if you found it helpful, and leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know, are you going to be downloading the Open Wardrobe app? Are you going to join the Open Wardrobe community? I hope you are, and I hope that Jessica and I will get to see you in the community as well. Okay, that's all for right now. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic week wherever you are, and I will see you again next time. Take really good care. Bye.